in each figure below, line 1 is parallel to line 2. You need to find the measure of angle X. So we will solve this figure first, say A, B. In order to solve this one, we need to draw a line, third line parallel to line 1 and line 2. We will do that parallel line. Okay, this is line K and it is parallel to line K is parallel to line 1 and also parallel to line 2. So from the theorem of parallel lines with line transversing into it, we can say that this angle here is 25 and this angle here is 48. 25 degrees and 48 degrees. So from that, we can say that the measure of angle X is equal to 25 degrees plus 48 degrees, which is simply equal to 73 degrees. And letter B, again, we need to draw a parallel line. Say this line K here is parallel to line 1 and also parallel to line 2. So we can say that this angle here is 30 degrees and this angle here should be the same as angle in here. So say this angle A. So this should be angle A. So the measure of angle A is equal to since angle A and this angle here is a linear angle or they are straight line. So we can say that our angle A is equal to 180 minus 160 degrees. So our angle A is equal to 20 degrees. So our angle here is 20 degrees. That means that our angle here also is 20 degrees. So our measure of angle X in this figure is equal to 30 plus 20 degrees. So our angle here is equal to 30 plus 20 is equal to 50 degrees. Thank you.